Hello my friends and welcome back to MTDCNC North America. As you can see, I am at Orizon Aerostructures today and we are in Kansas City. A company started in 2015. Now, they base a lot of the success off of the incredible Modig machines here. And we're going to talk a little bit about the flexibility, the rigidity, the significance of what they can uniquely create that only Modig can present to them. So, I hope you'll join me inside right after this little snowball fight. I'm with my buddy Rex today. We're at Orizon Aerostructures and we're going to learn a little bit more about how Modig and the relationship with Modig has really helped them succeed over the last few years. So Rex, thank you so much for being a part of MTDCNC.
You're welcome. Glad to be here.
Let's first talk about the real relationship that you've had for decades at this point with the Modig and the Modig family.
Yeah, I mean, I've been in aerospace manufacturing for over 30 years now, and our relationship with Modig actually started 25 years ago. So 1997 was when I was first introduced to Percy Modig. David was a lot younger back then, naturally, and we had purchased 13 of the original profile line extrusion mills, set up a center, and that's where it all started. And then here we are today with the largest rigid mill facility in the world.
Now, Orizon Aerostructures, more or less a fairly young company, but you knew what you wanted, you knew how you were going to implement it, and you went all in, and this company has grown massively over the few years, right? But tell us some of the unique differences that Modig has helped you accomplish that set you apart from some of the other companies out there.
Well, I think first just look at the equipment that we have, right? Look at what we're doing and what makes these things so different. The speed, the horsepower, the HSK 100A interface based on the geometry that we're cutting. So what this is doing for us is we're able to cut this geometry faster than we ever have before, right? We're able to do it with repeatable quality time and time again. Our uptime is outstanding with the machines. So really, I mean, that's where I'm at. Again, I've been doing this for over 30 years. What we're doing today is unlike anything I've done previously. I've done similar parts to these in the past on different equipment, took a lot more time, had a lot more variability, a lot less process control. So what we have done here really sets us apart as far as we're making parts 100% conforming off the machine, parts that have been out there in the industry that hasn't been done before, right? And we're doing it in an expedient fashion. So it's just amazing.
Can you tell us a little bit about the setup that's behind us?
Yeah, so I think first and foremost we talk about why we're able to do it as quickly as we can. So these machines have 200 continuous horsepower, 240 peak horsepower. So you've got dual spindle motors to get that sort of horsepower. So in my past, where we were taking finish cuts with a 5 to 7 thou chip load, we're taking finish cuts now with 18, 19 thousandths chip load. All right, so this gantry back here, the casting itself, 44,000 pounds, right? We got 4 X-axis motors that are synced. This thing's rapiding at over 2,000 inches a minute. So just think about that for a second,
wow.
where we are today. These machines, I will say, they're gantry killers, right? Up until this point, most places had like 3 spindle gantries, 7 to 10,000 RPMs, the slower feed rates. This equipment is making those obsolete.
It's truly amazing, and the technology itself, because Modig thinks a little bit out of the box, right? And you even have some more machines coming here to Orizon as well that's also a bit unique. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yes, so we have 6 of the HHV extrusion mills coming, which again in my past I programmed the original profile line for about 5 years, very familiar with it, but now they've made improvements to that equipment over the years, and it's going to give us another unique capability for sure.
Can you tell us what it's been like watching this thing go from a concept, from a baby, to a proven solution that you have today, and what you see even moving forward with the Modig family because you've had a relationship for so long?
Yeah, I think, to your point, I joined Orizon in October of 2015, and it's truly been, the best part of my long career, and it's due to the leadership of this company. Right? They had a vision, laid it out, had the discipline, assembled the team, and have kept to that dream. Right? This has been truly amazing for me and unique. I don't want to get too much into Orizon and too far away from Modig right now, but what I will tell you is that the leadership team, the culture that we have, the vision to build something unique, well, you see it all around you, right? It's here, and it's truly been fantastic for me.
Well, might I say, Rex, and to everyone watching out there, I'm looking around, the floors are clean, there's 5S, 6 Sigma, they call it something else here, but that's what I studied and learned. It's a fantastic facility, and you guys are doing all the right things. How many Modig machines do you have here now?
Right now we have 14.
Wow.
We have 14 rigid mills currently, and then again, by the time this year is over, we're going to have 6 DHHVs on the floor. So.
Rex, absolutely an amazing story. I wish you, on behalf of MTD and everyone out there watching, continued success. Thank you so much for sharing the parts of the story that we can and letting us in the door, because I know you guys are doing some really cool, secretive stuff.
Excellent. Thank you, sir.